Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can transfer OneDrive files to your desktop. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open the File Explorer. If you don't find this right here, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find this, click on Open and then you're going to be right here. So basically guys, once you're here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery, OneDrive, Desktop, Downloads, and so on. Go ahead and click on OneDrive. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find your OneDrive files. So basically guys, just minimize this. Go ahead and right click on OneDrive. And then once you do that, just go to OneDrive right here, then click on View Online, and this will take you to OneDrive page right here. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find My Files, Recent, Photos, Shared, and right here you're going to find your Recycle bin. So basically guys, right now, just go ahead and click on My Files, and then you can transfer your files from here to your computer by downloading them. For example, if you click right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the download option. Or you can just transfer them from your File Explorer from here. Just minimize this window. And then, for example, if you want to move this one, just hold it and then move it right here. And as you can see, guys, now it's transferred to the desktop. If you want to transfer all, just click and then click on Ctrl+A. Then you can transfer everything from OneDrive to your desktop. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.